So a lot of people ask me what the formula is for being able to make 10, 20, $30,000 per month just from YouTube. Now, I think it's very important right off the bat to note that it's not just YouTube AdSense that we're talking about. Whereas, yeah, some channels are making 10 plus $1,000 per month on their channel, but that's few and far between, especially with a face channel. Now, there are a lot of other channels that can generate $30,000 a month from a face brand just on YouTube AdSense alone. Shane Hummus is one of them. We do have a few students that kind of get close to that, but the main business strategy that we promote is a personal brand. And to monetize your entire business strategy, not just your YouTube videos. So let me show you what that looks like. So here is one of our students. I do have to anonymize some of our information just because I don't want to out them or anything like that. I also don't want to tell what niches it is because I don't want to essentially destroy their niche. When I talk about a niche and dive deeper into their particular strategy and how they're doing it and what niche they're in, that starts to become a lot more saturated and that'll hurt our students. So I'm not going to reveal what niche they're in or just what their channel is for obvious reasons. So hopefully you can understand that. I'm not about to sabotage our students. So with this channel, just to show you this is real, I'm even going to refresh the page here. And you'll be able to see that these are real numbers for all of the doubters out there. These are real views, and this is making currently $11,000 per month. This is actually a bad month for this YouTube channel. So, I mean, you can see the typical what it used to be before they actually signed on to the program that we have. They were making about 6,000 to 8,000. We've pretty much doubled their YouTube revenue alone. This client is making over $100,000 per month because of their YouTube strategy and monetizing their entire business model, not just their YouTube videos through AdSense, because YouTube AdSense is just the icing on the cake. I mean, just to tell you that you don't have to generate tens of thousands of dollars on YouTube to be able to make this kind of money. This client actually has only 167 subscribers and they are generating tens of thousands of dollars per month. So it's not about YouTube AdSense. They're not even monetized on YouTube right now and they're still making really good money. There's another channel that just started to get attention. And if I do, let's say 90 days, in the last 90 days, that's kind of where they had their kick. They joined the program about a month before 90 days. So, 4 months ago they joined and they've got their boost right now and they're starting to really gain traction, starting to die down a bit. We're starting to refine their process. But again, I mean, they've made $3,000 in the last 90 days, but this client is making, I think about 40 plus thousand per month, I think 50,000 plus per month. Simply because they've monetized their business strategy. Now, we teach students how to do that, how to go from A to Z on how to monetize your strategy, what opportunities you may have, because for every student, it might be different. There's lots of different niches. I can't give away what niches that we actually go with our students for, again, obvious reasons, but they range from so many different niches. Some of them are pretty abstract and they're making thousands of dollars per month doing that. Just another example, this channel is a little bit bigger, 160,000 subscribers, $10,000 per month, which is actually above typical. Again, their typical was 4,000 to 6,000 just a few months ago when they joined the program. We've pretty much almost doubled their revenue just on YouTube. This client's making about $1 million a month. Or just, I think, between 900 to 1 million or something like that. But it's, crazy money, which you can do with YouTube with a personal brand. Now, when I say personal brand, I'm talking about your face on screen, your name as your channel name. Not this, if you're in a niche, let's say you're in a football niche, Alex's football tips, that's, you could do that, but it's actually just your name. Like, for example, Murray Frost. My channel would be Murray Frost, or whatever your name would be. We encourage your name to be your channel name. One more example, this client just started to get their boost when they joined us about 2 months ago. Just had their video pop off. They're starting to really grow on their strategy. And even a fun thing to say that YouTube's saying you got 600% more views. So this client is also generating about $20,000 to $30,000 per month, not through YouTube AdSense. You can see the AdSense is just the icing on the cake. But we teach our students how to actually generate money using themselves, like their face, their brand, their personality, to build a product or service. And we show them how to automate that, because you don't want to be spending 12 hours a day, 6 days or 7 days a week doing all of this and maintaining it. We show you actually how to hire a team. We do the hiring for you if that's something that you want to do. And then we show you, the entire process from A to Z on how to actually do that. Step number 1 is obviously to pick your niche, because that's going to be super important. Step number 2 is just to start creating. Low effort is definitely a lot better than high quality. There's that whole debate, should I do low quality or high quality starting out, or low effort and high effort content? There's all of those debates. And, based on your situation, we may even go medium effort. Medium effort could also be an option, but we definitely don't encourage high effort, because it's too much work, too much time, and it's not going to be as great of a return on your investment. We do low effort because, for example, this video that I'm making, it's taken me probably 10 minutes to record, 7 minutes to edit, and I'm going to post it right after that. And this will probably generate a pretty big, significant income for the program, because we have results to prove it. Now, that's the value aspect that we also got to combine with the low effort content. It's got to be valuable if you're still going to be providing low effort content. Now, that is very easy to automate, but as far as hiring a team to kind of automate the rest of it, as far as like running your business, depending on what strategy you have and what structure you've set up, you're going to have a team that will actually be able to do that. And we teach that too, and we also help hire those right team members so that they're right for your business structure and your strategy, because you don't have to be working really at all every week for your company. You could essentially put it completely 100% on autopilot, but we could. We give you the option to actually work on your company. You should want to work at your company, and so if you can work 4 hours a week and still generate $30,000 to $40,000 per month, it's a no-brainer. So we teach our clients how to do that. If that's something you're interested in, book a call with me. The link will be down below, and we can get started actually finding out how we can do that for you with whatever strategy you have and with whatever knowledge you have. We'll give you a structure, a business plan, and a model to work with, because we've used these strategies to build our clients and their companies as well. So I'm looking forward to chatting, and hopefully this provided some insight.